puppetry festival going on. Come, let's go in and find out what's in store. Puppetry may not be that popular of recent, but even as a millennial, I can still connect with it. As a child, I always loved my Kathputlis. Puppetry has been a common art not just in India but also globally. So those Kathputlis that we showed you there, that was just not it. There's also an exhibition here of the international puppets and each one has a story. There's one from Japan, something from all of Europe. It's very interesting if you take a read. Okay, so now I've come into the Palladium area from the Phoenix area, and I specifically have a special liking for this bit is because it has some of my most favorite brands. There's a workshop which is going on here. I want to see what that's like. So if you know a little about the art of puppetry, basically each show recites a story and it's quite intriguing. Like the one that's happening behind me right now, that's an award-winning show which is based on a mythological story. So let's go and have a look at what is the story. So each of these shows also have classical music playing behind it, and it's really nice to the ear. So if you don't understand the dialogue, if it's in regional language, the music is very soothing.
We feel like coming back here again.
It's a very important focus nowadays, and all of us are very busy on phones, and it becomes very important. We are all missing these kind of special surprises for our kids.
Kids are getting interacted with each other, which helps them to get motivated, playful, and they're very attractive as well. You can see a lot of kids here. They're really enthusiastic.
Well, now there's something really exciting that I'm going to be entering into. If you guys know Seema Kohli, she's a very well-known contemporary artist based in New Delhi, and she's a storyteller. She's going to be performing one of her pieces here today. She was based in Pakistan, and all her stories are based on how she was displaced from Pakistan to India and about her journey. So let's go and have a look.
As you see, I have worked on the imagery of rain, sun, moon, and skies, and of course land.
Puppetry in this specific thing came because when I was talking about migration of so many people, and that we are like migratory birds, humans also, we are no different. I don't know why this whole concept is taken with so much of threat, because no one will be there forever in any case. The whole concept moved only because the puppetry was there, because I said I can show idea of movement in a very traditional yet a contemporary way.